Hi everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to make the tabletop or the Christmas tree top angel. If you don't want to, you can use that the centerpiece for decoration around the Christmas time. So what I have cut in here that five of 6 inches circle that form the interface, and so this one you can make any size you want. If you place the bowl or the plate on the interface and then you cut it out, and then I have cut one in here that's 7 inches, so 1 inch is bigger. If you want to make it like bigger one for this one, you can place whatever side that you cut in this 5 piece. You're gonna cut this one piece 1 inch bigger. So I have cut in here basically 7 inches, then 5 in the white. So you're going to iron each of this on the back side of the main side of the fabric. So iron all 5 on this 5 piece. And then I also have cut in here 8 inches square, and I have the white and the blue. I just call blue. And then I'm placing here, as you can see, you don't have to cut in perfect as long as you have an extra around between 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 inch. So iron it in here. When I'm done iron on the back side of the man, this is the 7 inches. You're gonna place the right side to the right side, and you're going to sew all around, but you're gonna leave about 2 inches, okay, just to have more room for you to inside out. Okay, so 2 inches. Go around here and sew all here, and then after that we're going to go from there. You're gonna do that to the other 5 piece of the circle also. And then you're going to place the right side to the right side, and then from here you're going to sew. Remember, mark the center, the line, so you can inside out. I would do between 1.5 to 2 inches, okay, 2 inches. So go all around here and stop, leave this open so you can inside out. You're gonna do 5 of these. So everyone, this is the 7 inches and this is all the 5 inches. We're going to do exact the same. I'm gonna go and trim around this. You can leave about 1/4 of an inch if you want. Everyone, after I topped it around, and this is the big one I put on the side, and this is a 5. So the side that you leave it open to inside out on the left side, okay, so it's right here. So have it stay on the left side, and you're going to fold it in half. Do all 5, but I show you this one, okay. This one is the one that we left it open down on the left. This is the center we just marked, so fold it down, and you're going to mark to see if it's in the center, that 1 inch, and that is good. So you can iron this down if you want to, or you can just leave it like that, and then we'll go from there. Let's just clip it down for now. You're going to do all of them. Now on each fold line right here, you just sew very close here, sew this down. So there's all 5 of them, okay. Do exactly the same, just sew very close to the fold for all 5. Everyone, after I sew very close to the fold here, just to have to support this stay down. Now we're going to put it together, but we need the thread and needle that to support it to stay. To put it together, I'm gonna go from this way around. This one going this way, this one open. You're gonna slide it under to meet with that one right there. I'm gonna clip this right here, and I'm going to sew it two together. I just want to make sure that it stays, because when you do something, this is very pretty. You can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. I just want to let you people know that if you come to my channel and you leave a nasty narrative any comment, I will spam you and you will never come to my channel again. Okay, just want to make you know that. All right, and this side you're gonna do the same thing. You slide it under and make sure this go to here, right on the top like that, and then right down here you're gonna clip it together, and on the top here you're gonna sew the next one, so that way you have everything hold on to it so it won't move. Yeah, I have people come and tell me like, stop doing this, stop painting your nail in different color. What the heck? All right, so the next one, do the same. Slide it down, go to meet the top of the thingy up there, the pointy, and then clip, sew this together. And so these things, I always have a double thread to make sure it's staying really strong. And so when I pull, it won't break and scare the heck of me. Oh, just that. All right, I'm gonna take this out, and now I'm going to stand this up, and I'm gonna slide this underneath. So, okay, like this. And I'm going to make sure this side go to here. Keep on going. There you go. Oh, this can be a hat. I'm crazy. There you go. Now you have the body of the angel, or you can make a ballerina. Okay, so on the side here, I'm going to sew each side together. You can do it here. You can do the sewing machine sew on this, or you can do it with hand sew. But I'm gonna do with hand, and then the bottom, I'll show you. Just put this on the side with the wind right here. I'm going to fold it up. I do about 1.5 inches. Exactly 1.5 inches. Fold that so I can mark the center. The center is right there. I'm going to clip this down. Flip this down. So now I'm going to fold it up and down and up and down. I fold about close to 1/2 inch. up and down. Pancake time, everyone. Keep on folding to the white. Doing like that. Make sure you knead it up. When you're done, you're gonna use your hand presses to knead it up. Anything you want to add around the outer of the dress. I have this kind of ribbon too that I got in from my local fabric store. And I go from here and I'm going to go all the way down to here. I'm gonna glue with the hot glue though. I'm not gonna solder it. Just add a little bit of the glue right there. And then I'm going to place this right at the side like that. I'm going to have something right there, so don't worry about it. It's shown like that. So lift this up and then add the glue on the outer. Don't make sure the glue don't go down to the second layer. So each layer you add this and then you go on around like this. Okay, you go on around like this. This is the best way to dress up your angel, and it's easy. Kid can do that. Kid can do exactly like this too, but you know what they can use? They can use the this one. I'll show you. They can use this one. They can use the dolly. Okay. The dolly, they can do that. It's beautiful at the end. And then you can use ornament white one or whatever. Come up with something for your kid to do to keep them busy. My kid after this Friday, they'll have break until the 2nd. So you can see I go underneath here. I don't want to go on the top because I'm gonna connect the next one. So I'm going to here and I'm going to cut an extra. And then lift this up. So I'm gonna add the glue here and lift this up, put it right underneath. Now you can start with the next one. Everyone, I finished adding the ribbon, the lei, whatever you call, around here. That is so beautiful. Make this, everyone. I love. Alright, so I move the camera a bit, and so I'm cutting this small one, this 1/4 inch ribbon that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to cut about 12 inches, and I'm going to make a bow. So it's just very simple bow that I make. nothing fancy, just like so. And then I make it smaller down like that. You can use all different colors you want. I just give you an idea. People are funny. Sometimes they ask me like, why you use that color? I'm like, oh, I don't know why. Okay, and I also use the big one of I think this is half an inch and then a quarter of an inch, like that. There's two, and then I cut the string right here. That this one I cut, I'm gonna cut into half. I don't want it too extreme long. So this is 12 inch each, and I have two. So okay, I'm gonna go like this, fold it in half, and I'm going to place this together in here. And then this one right here, I'm gonna go like this, the second ribbon, the 12 inch, and then I'll make this loop go over to here so I can tie them all together in the middle, like so. I have the whole bunch of ribbon or in here, so like that. And now at this time you're gonna go and straighten it out, make sure everything is staying the way you want. If not, fix it. Now I'm gonna do the bow, I mean the bow first, because I want to know where exactly it is. Right on here, just like that. So this land in the middle, imagine like that on the side, it'll look beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go and add the glue right here on right here, and then you're going to hold on to it to make sure you give the support to this. I use the blue ornament. Take this out. The ornament, you can take this thing out as much as you want because you want it to stay down, just like so. Hold on to it, add a little bit of the support on the side here, and then move the wind up a little bit just to hold on to her head. Glue in the back of the ribbon here. I'm gonna go right to her neck right there. Everyone, make sure when you're done, you're gonna cut the ends of the ribbon so it look nicer. It won't look so blunt, you know. So cut it diagonal any way you want. This is no. And I finished, everyone. She looks so beautiful. Look at that, nice and round, and it's beautiful looking angel. And this is the top looking down. Okay, so pretty. The back, same thing with I asked the ribbon around this too. She looks so pretty, and is 9 inches tall for this angel. And I show you the bottom of this angel like this. How pretty. You can put on the top of the Christmas tree. It can be the Christmas tree topper, or you can put that on the table for your at the end table, or you can whatever you want to do. I ran out of idea, but when you make it, you know what you make it for. Beautiful angel made by you. I'm on the floor, and the sound behind me, that is my son's laptop making that sound. Look how pretty that is. And remember, if you don't want to turn into the angel, you can make another circle, and you can make it at the tabletop. So pretty. I love it. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the people who donate to my channel and join my channel membership. I really appreciate your kindness and your support to my channel. Love you. Stay safe, everyone.